Hi, I'm Dr. Kiersten Pannell, a pediatric dentist at Peachtree Pediatric Dentistry. How do you know if your child's grinding their teeth at night? And is it a big deal? Bruxism, or otherwise known as grinding or clenching the teeth, can occur in daytime or at nighttime. The number one sign is to listen. So go into your child's room at night and listen for any sounds that might sound like you're grinding two stones together. Sometimes it even sounds like you're rubbing glass together. It sounds like an uncomfortable sound. Grinding or clenching your teeth during the day or at night can be a manifestation of other signs and symptoms, such as sleep-disordered breathing or stress. Depending on the origin of the grinding and clenching, some manifestations of this can lead to TMJ issues, can lead to sleep-disordered breathing issues such as sleep apnea, or jaw development changes. So it's very important that if you are noticing these signs in your child, to give your dentist a call, more specifically Peachtree Pediatric Dentistry. Depending on why your child is grinding at night, we may have a solution for you.